Children of Standard 6, yesterday I started a new chapter that is Getting to Know Plants. I told you about the classification of plants into three main groups: herbs, shrubs, and trees. And I told you about the basis of their classification into the three main groups. Today, I am going to tell you about other types of plants which do not come under the category of herbs, shrubs, and trees. Such plants are called climbers and creepers. Children, you must have seen some plants that have very weak stem which cannot stand upright on their own. So they are climbers and creepers. And you have seen around us pea plant, bitter gourd, sweet gourd, like climbers around us. They need always a special device to climb up. So, climbers are having thin, long, weak stem which cannot stand upright but readily climbs up a neighboring support or a tree is called a climber. A climber plant has a special organ for climbing called tendrils. There are two types of tendrils. They are stem tendrils and leaf tendrils. The tendrils of climber plants wind themselves around any neighboring object and help the plant to climb up. The stem tendril of a climber plant is winding around a bamboo stick for supporting the plant. In this picture, we can see the stem tendril of a climber winding around a bamboo stick for supporting the plant. So, what is tendril? Tendril, all of us know that a climber tree has special organs for climbing called tendrils. This tendril is a specialized stem, leaves, or petiole with a thread-like shape that is used by climbing plants for support attachment. Leaf tendril is a thread-like part of a leaf that attaches to a surface in order to help a vine plant secure itself. So here we can see the leaf tendrils, but children, you must know that the tendrils, although they do not have midrib and petiole-like structure as we see in the leaf, but tendrils, like the other leaves, can photosynthesize. So, now, what is creeper? A plant having thin, long, and weak stem which cannot stand upright and spreads on the ground is like a creeper, is called a creeper. A creeper plant has no climbing organs like tendrils as we see in case of climbers. So creeper has no climbing organs like tendrils. A creeper grows along the ground or other surfaces by extending long shoots or branches. The two important creepers that we see around us are strawberry plant and money plant. If a creeper plant is to be grown like a climber plant, then the top end of its stem has to be tied with a string and the other end of the string fixed at a height. For example, a money plant can be made to grow up but by tying a string to its top end. So the main difference, what is the difference between the creepers and the climbers? The creepers do not have the climbing organs like tendrils. But creeper plants has to grow along the ground. So there is the major difference between creepers and climbers, that creeper has not been given by the nature a special device like tendril to climb up. They grow along the ground, and creepers at the nodal region where leaves grow. They produce fiber-like roots arising from the base of the stem, which get fixed and grow further. These roots are called prostrate stem. So you must have seen in case of money plants, these roots coming from the nodal region of the stem like a prostrate stem. So creeper spread horizontally along the soil, where climbers has tendril-like structure. With the help of these tendrils, they can climb up.